how are you? I hope you and your loved ones are doing really well and keeping safe and healthy. So today's video I wanted to do another fall makeup look using the Profusion Trick or Treat palette. And it's been a while since I have used this one in particular, so I wanted to use these colors for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert some music while I do the tutorial. I do want to say the shade names real quick because I think they're so cute with what they pick. So this first one I'm going to take is this one. This one is called Gotta Rock. And I'm going to be taking my Sonia Kashuk blending crease brush. And I absolutely love how it looks like a pumpkin with Charlie Brown's patterned shirt right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's really cute. It's like a pumpkin. And I love Profusion's eyeshadows. They're really pigmented. Really affordable. Okay, this next one I'm taking for my brow bone highlight. This one is called Kick the Football. Oh my goodness, Lucy and Charlie Brown. Oh, Lucy is so mean. She never lets Charlie Brown kick the football. Okay, now the next shade I'm taking is this one right here. That one is called Falling Leaves. And I'll be taking my Sigma 827. Okay, now for my all over lid shade, I'm going to be taking this shimmer right here. That one is called Pumpkin Patch. almost done here. I'll play with you after, okay? Okay, now for my inner corner, I'll be taking this matte shade. It's like a really bright white. That one is called Sheet Ghost, which was from Charlie Brown. He was trying to be a ghost. This one has Snoopy with, I think he's supposed to look like a mummy. And if you could tell, it's like an imprint of Snoopy. Now I'll be taking my Equal Tools micro smudge brush. Okay, now I am done using this palette. Now I'm going to be moving on with making my own cream blush with my face pigment palette. Okay, so the colors I ended up choosing was I picked a little bit of pink, red, yellow, white, and I say a little bit of red. I did pick a little bit of red as well. And this is what the color came out to be. It's like a really bright pink shade. It's really pretty. Just going to be mixing it all together. Okay, I'll be taking my Equal Tools cream blush brush. Looks like this for the bristles. Really lightweight. Really interesting for the bristles, but it works well with cream. I'm just going to dab it all over. Hopefully it's not too bold. I don't want it to be too bold today. It kind of looks like it will be. Oh my goodness, okay, let me see. Just going to dab it. And I will take access for I will kind of like damp it on a towel right here so it's not all over my face. Okay, I'm just going to set real quick with powder just to set the cream blush. That way it doesn't fade away. Oh, I'm using the Mercier setting powder with the Sonia Kashuk powder brush. It's like a really fluffy brush, but these two go well together with setting any cream products I have. Okay, for my highlighter, I'll be taking my Tarte Glamazon face palette. And this one is called, let me see. Okay, I want to take this highlighter right here. That one is called Paradise. Or this one. That one's called Paradise. And I'll be taking my e.l.f. highlighting brush. now for my final item, I'm taking this lip gloss. It's really pretty from L.A Colors. Super sparkly too. It's like a red glitter gloss. Okay, my friends, so this is my finished makeup look. Okay, now mini recap. I absolutely love the palette from Profusion, especially with the mattes and the shimmer that I ended up using, the one called Pumpkin Patch. It's like a duochrome. This one looks orange, but then when you flip it, it has like a green reflect, which is absolutely beautiful all over the eyelid. I don't know if you could tell, but it has a sparkle finish to it. It's so stunning. You wouldn't even believe that it's from Profusion. It looks like something from Tarte that they could do this, but that is amazing. It's like so beautiful, and you get a lot too. Like it has like a really big pan of it. I absolutely love the palette. I think you could still get it on sale right now on their website. And everything I use, like my cream palette, the Tarte highlighter, it's really sparkly. So thank you so much for watching, my friend. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup look for fall. I absolutely love it. I love Profusion. I love the palette. I love everything I used today. And I just hope that you enjoyed the video. May God bless always, and please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love for you to join my channel, and if you're my returning viewer, I love you. Thank you so much for being here to watch one of my videos again. I really appreciate you as always, and I just want to wish you a good day or night, whatever time you're watching. And I hope to see you next time on my other video, hopefully for Thanksgiving week. And at the moment, I'm actually pre-filming for Vlogmas, my 12 days of Vlogmas. That way I could get it on time for next month, and it's ready to go on Christmas Day. So I'm on a roll with like pre-filming, so also feel free to let me know if you'd like to see anything from the Vlogmas series. I have quite a few down already, but I still need a few more to go. So thank you again, my friend, and I'll see you later. Bye.